Hey guys, this is Ali here from Solid Trades. Just wanted to make a quick short update video on the charity work that we've been doing because of you guys who donated. It's just been a humbling experience. I just don't know how to even begin. The places that I went today and saw the people, situations they are in. I personally talked to quite a few. We distributed some food, some cash. We listened to the stories, spent some time with them. And along the way, I took some videos, and I wanted to show you the situation here is just not good. It's just